Hey everybody, Salty Modding here. How's everybody doing today? Today we're going to be going over explaining file paths, exporting shop from the base game, importing the shop into your map, and setting the shop up. Alright, so first we're going to talk about file paths. Alright, so let's go into, let's say, my files here. So basically, anything that you make, let's say in Blender or something like that, you model it, you texture it, you have to put it into your mod map folders. Anything that is from the base game, you do not have to implement into your mod folder as long as you exported it with the correct file paths when you exported. Okay? Hopefully everybody understands that. So now we're going to go into, let's just say, I'm already there, but let's do this the hard way, or let's do this the way you're gonna have to do it the first time. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is, whether you saved it to your C drive, D drive, E drive, however many drives you have, you're gonna want to find your directory to your farming sim. So mine is on the D. Yours will probably be in program files, but I actually have mine in a separate folder here on my D drive. So Steam library. You'll go Steam apps. You'll go common, you'll go farming sim 22, you'll go data, you'll go maps, mine is map US, and then you're going to open your map.i3d. Now I already have it open, so let's go in here. You'll want to select this. You want to select the entire shop, or the entire showroom. Okay. You'll file, export selection with files. I already have a few things here. You don't have to save this in your mod map. I just made a random folder somewhere to save it in. I'm going to press yes on that. You want to press yes on this and yes on this. And you'll also want to do it for the shop, little shop trigger there. I've already done it myself. And you'll also want to do it on the warning stripes selling area. Okay. Export those, press yes on both windows. We're done in here. Now we're going to, let's just get rid of all these. You're going to file, import all three of these. So just go through, import that one, import this one, and import this one. Now you're going to click on this one. You're going to shift click on this one. You're going to grab it. You're going to drag it into a transform group. Shop area is what I usually call that. And just click shop area, click Control B, and drag it on up here. I'm going to get rid of these. There's something back here too, yeah. I'm not worried about those. Those can stay. All right, so now you're going to grab your selling point. Just put it here. Let's take the rotation off that to make it a little simpler. And then you're going to grab your trigger here. You're going to Control B, click. It's usually right here. Okay. Now, what you're going to want to do is we have to edit the placeables.xml. Now, yours may not have this yet. So it's going to be in the same area your map.i3d is. It's going to be called placeables.xml. If you do not have that, the easiest way to do that is to go back into your directory where you opened the base game. You're going to copy, so copy that, then you'll paste it in here. So what you're going to want to do is open it with Notepad++, and then you're going to want to open the base game placeables with Notepad++. Alright, so what you're going to look for is placeable map I-bound selling station vehicles. You're going to want to select this. You're going to want to copy. And you're going to want to come in here, paste. I like to put a little space there. Let's go ahead and bring down one. All right, so what you're going to do now, you're going to open your map. You're going to select vehicle stripes, vehicle selling. You're going to open this. And what you're going to do, hold on, that ain't right. Hold on, let's drag it out of that transform group for now. That way it's by itself. And what you're going to want to do, come over here, and these numbers right here, you're going to want to put here. And the same with rotation. You want to put the rotation there. This is going to set up your selling point trigger. So mine is 326.635. This is going to be 20.992. And this is going to be negative 71.08. And then the rotations are all zeros, so just change this to a 0. I'm going to file, save. And also, you can go ahead and save this. That way you don't mess anything up. You're also going to want to go ahead and select your little trigger here, drag it out for now too. You can actually drag the stripes back in now. You don't need to have it out there. So you're going to grab this. You're going to want to go to your file directory for your map. You're going to want to click on your map.i3d, edit with Notepad++, and you're going to want to Shift or Control F. You're going to look for shop. Or I'm sorry, I had you open the wrong one. I'm sorry. Hold on. There should be a map.xml you want to open. Then Control F, shop. You're going to search for that. Find next. Right here in the hotspots, you're going to want to drag this over. World position, you're going to want to put these in. Rotation, you want to put those in. So, which actually doesn't really matter where. This is literally just setting up your icon so you can teleport to it. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a 301.958 or whatever yours is on your little transform over here. Why isn't there a... Okay, so don't worry about your Y. Then you'll go to your Z, which is going to be negative 91.825. Then your rotation. So I'm just going to set mine all to 0. We're going to save that. And we are solid. So now, let's go and save that again just to be safe. Let's open our... Actually, shoot, I forgot to... Hold on. We're going to reopen that real quick. I'm sorry, guys. Maps. Reopen that. Now, your map should have came with this. There should be a career start point. I almost forgot to do this stuff. Sorry about this, guys. Alright, come on. Usually don't take this long. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Now, so you want your career start point. You should have that in your map already. You're just going to Control B, click somewhere over here. And also, in gameplay here, I have store spawn place 1. You should have those as well. You click that, drag that there. Store spawn place 2. You should have that as well. Right there. And that's just where your vehicles are going to spawn. If you open these up, you got your first spot and your second spot. Actually, I need to drag these over here. Same with this one. Ah, dang it. Drag it over here. And then you're good. So you're going to save that. Shh. Sorry about that, guys. My daughter's being a little loud. Okay. And then you're gonna file, or you'll put it into your mod folder. Of course, mine's already in there. That's where I usually work out of. And let's go load it up in the game. Make sure she's working. Make sure the triggers are there. Make sure we can sell stuff. See how everything works. Alright, let's load up the map here. Continue, do select all, start. I always like to open up the little thing here, see any issues I have. I know I'll have some issues with the fields. But other than that, I think everything else should load in just fine. It's being a little slow. I don't know why it's taking this long. It usually don't take this long. This is the first time I've loaded up the game today, though. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, oh, okay, I gotta load in the diffuse textures, but that's fine. Why does this take so long? And then there's the farmlands. I gotta fix that eventually, but not a huge deal right now. Okay. Hide this. And there we go. We got our trigger here, which we should be able to press R on. It works. Okay. Then we have our selling area and the triggers here as well. So there you go, guys. That is all we have on today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and press that subscribe button. Have a great day.